How's it going, everyone? So in this video I will be reacting to ankudinova. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. I will be listening to it on my iPhone. So I've already started the video. She is crazy talented. Now, for anyone wondering why there's no video or audio on the screen, what I recommend doing is listening to the original video and my reaction at the same time. I don't put the video or audio on the screen because that's copyright. My video and channel will get taken down eventually. She has an amazing voice. She's killing it. She is killing it. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? I'm loving this. I am loving this. Are you joking right now? How can you be that talented? Seriously, this is amazing. What sucks is the video is only 2 minutes and 25 seconds long. It's a shame. Wow. Crazy. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share.